Everybody in manufacturing is talking about smart factory, IoT and Industry 4.0, and it can all be a bit overwhelming. Wouldn't it be fantastic if you had a roadmap to guide you on your Industry 4.0 journey? Hello, my name is Arthur Stone. I'm CEO of OEEsystems International. We work with the world's most progressive manufacturing companies to increase capacity, reduce costs and drive continuous improvement. Digital transformation is a real challenge, and many of our customers are perplexed by the wide range of options being presented to them. We've helped these customers develop a pragmatic approach to exploit Industry 4.0 opportunities and to implement practical solutions to deliver real sustained business benefits. Join me at 10 a.m. at the Industry 4.0 zone for a presentation on delivering performance management for your smart factory. This is your opportunity to learn how others are approaching their digital transformation and how you can implement a step-by-step approach using Industry 4.0 and IoT technologies.